Hi, this is Adriana, and this is step number 3 of Mindset 360 with Asia Roberts. And this is a little bit of a story about me. I was born in Mexico. I was blessed to have the parents I had, working people. My dad had his job and his small business at the same time. My mom not only worked in the house, take care of us children, and she also had her own business. Like, we had the house, and right next to it she had a business, a store. So, and even though they worked really hard, the word tired did not exist in their vocabulary. So therefore, it didn't exist in ours. So anyways, from early on, we, all of us, most of us, learned questioning, like everything. I used our critical thinking, so it wasn't a good thing to follow fads or trends or just follow the masses. We learned to question all that. Anyways, I have worked. I always ended up working in the school system, and right now it's been like over 4 years working with little children in early intervention program. I have learned tons with these little ones. I have learned tolerance. I have learned how their minds work. It's really fun. It gets me to be in touch with my child, my inner child. I get to be silly, so it's a lot of fun. My why would be, I have 2 children in their 20s. So my why would be like really inspire them and not to settle down, just keep going. And also be able to be completely financially independent. Because sometimes I have the money, but not the times. When I have the time, I don't have the money to travel. So, and like my dad, he taught us how to travel. Even though he works so hard, and because of his job, he had to travel all over the country. And that's the reason also that he would take us with him. All the family travel different parts of Mexico and the States. And we always had that. You know, we went camping, we travel all over around, around. So, and those memories are what life is about. I think we had so much joy and so much fun with them. So, and we've been able to share that with our children too. So I want to continue doing that and not worrying about, limiting ourselves. So that is my why. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you there. And this is also part of the video challenge. It's the $100 video challenge. You have to upload 1 video a day for 100 days. And if you don't make any sales within SalesVision Games, then the company will pay you $100. In the meantime, you get to have fun. Anyways, thank you for watching, and just go to the link below and you'll get more information. Thank you. Bye.